In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic away messages in WhatsApp Business. If you run your business through WhatsApp, having an automatic away message is a simple way to set expectations and keep conversations professional when you're not available. Let's walk through it from start to finish so you know exactly where to tap and what each option means. Start by opening the WhatsApp Business app on your phone. Once you're on the main chat screen, look to the top right and tap the three-dot menu. From there, go into Business Tools and then select Away Message. This is where you control the automatic reply that goes out when you're not around. Turn on Send Away Message. When this switches on, WhatsApp will automatically respond for you whenever your schedule and recipient settings match, so you won't miss that crucial first touch point with a customer. Next, tap Message to write what you want people to receive. Keep it short, friendly, and clear. For example, you could use "Hi, we're currently unavailable, will reply during business hours." Feel free to mention your typical response time or your working hours so customers know when to expect a reply. Avoid adding personal details and keep the tone consistent with your brand. Now tap Schedule to decide when the message should be sent. You have two main choices. Choose Always Send if you want the away message to go out at all times. This is useful for holidays, travel days, or when the team is offline for an extended period. If you prefer the message to only go out outside your working hours, choose Custom Schedule. Set the times that match your business day, for example outside 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., and the app will handle the rest. The schedule follows your device's time settings, so make sure your phone's time zone is correct. Then tap Recipients to choose who should get this message. Select Everyone if you want a consistent response for all incoming messages when you're away. If you want more control, pick Custom Labels so only specific groups you've labeled in WhatsApp Business receive the away message. This is helpful if you want existing customers treated differently from new inquiries. When everything looks good, tap Save. Double check that Send Away Message is still turned on, and you're done. Your automatic reply will now go out based on the schedule and recipients you set. As a final tip, revisit this message anytime your hours change or you have special closures. Clear communication keeps customers informed and builds trust, even when you're not online.